So the best well-hidden secret of humanity is the superpower of our own sexual energy. Training and transforming our pure and innocent sexuality through sexual kung fu is not an instant gratification, quick fix, or a one-time kick-hit type of practice. Gradually applying these ancient techniques over longer periods of time, there's many potential benefits from which I wish to share some with you here. But before that, I have to give a medical disclaimer that this video is for informational purposes only, and it does not constitute professional advice. So, training sexual kung fu offers tapping directly into your own power source, more energy, health, and vitality. It helps reduce stress, burnout, burn-on. It also helps to balance hormonal and sleep patterns. It activates the physical body's self-healing capacities. It reduces physical discomforts. It helps finding emotional and mental balance. It brings greater independence and confidence. It regulates and relieves women's moon cycles. It helps to clear deeply rooted sexual and emotional traumas. It offers also deeper intimacy and pleasure with self and others. It offers greater sexual responsibility. It offers deeper physical body feeling awareness. It stimulates orgasmic flow. It helps to experience deeper relaxation, and we become less sensitive to temptation and suppression. It also reduces addictive behavior. It offers greater freedom of choice and action. It slows down the aging process. It offers greater sexual safety and richness. It offers heightened and broader states of awareness, and it might offer greater spiritual awakening on the long term.